Okay. What we're going to add is a hatch pattern of earth on the bottom, because if you put this on a sheet, it looks so weird because it's just floating there like there's no correlation to the elevation. So I like to include under annotation where your detail items are, you're going to find region. If you click the little arrow, there's two options. You can do a filled region, that's your hatch. The masking region is think of it as a sticker to cover things up. In this case, we're going to do a filled region. Okay, filled region. Excuse me. I'm going to use a medium line. The ground, you want it to print out thick. We could even use like a white line. Actually, you know what? Let's use a white line. I want it to print heavy to represent the earth. Okay, now I usually do this. I usually come over here to the corner and I'll draw this line. Now, don't exaggerate the slope, guys. We live in the valley. I mean, the slope is going to be tiny, maybe 5, even 3% maybe, but I'm gonna leave it like at 5% there. I usually go anywhere. The length of the line really doesn't matter. I do try to stay in a whole number, so either like 5 feet, 6 feet. I've done 7 feet. It just depends. In this case, I'm gonna do 6 feet. Okay. Okay. I already clicked. Hello. Oh my goodness, my computer's so slow, guys. Sorry. Oh, there. I didn't even accept my. There. I clicked. All right. And then I'm going to go all the way across the house. Okay. And then I'm going to this line to the other side. And then if I just type SM, it should find the middle. Oh, that wasn't the middle, but I'll move it over. All right. Now, at this point, in order for it to hatch, I need to close the lines up. Okay. So here, what I use is the spline tool. Okay, I use the spline tool. But the line type on the bottom, I use invisible. There's an invisible line. Okay, in the little drop down arrow, excuse me, you're gonna find invisible line, and that way, this bottom line, it won't print out. Okay, and it'll just have the hatch kind of disappear into the page. Okay. You mess with the grip points if you don't like the way it looks. I'm just gonna ignore it. Oh shoot, sorry. Here we were right here. Before we finish, filled region, look for Earth. If you don't find it, right? We don't have it. We're gonna make it, and the way you make it is edit type, duplicate, type the word Earth. Okay. And then on the very first box here, you click in there, then click the 3 dots on the right, and then scroll down and find Earth. You hit OK, you hit OK. It says Earth there, hit the check mark, and now we should have that Earth pattern, see? And see how it kind of just dissolves on the bottom? This bottom line won't print. So there you go. Exterior elevation, done. Questions? No? We're good? We do this for the other 4 sides. That's it. We're done. Okay? Do the same thing for the other 4 sides and we're done. Now, bonus. Pay attention. I know you're trying to finish up and get caught up, but let me show you this real quick. You guys are going to do the other 3 sides on your own, but let me show you this real quick. Uh, if you hold control, actually, you know what? Uh, yeah, let me show you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I held control and I selected all these objects. Uh, from your ribbon, when you select them, there's the little copy to clipboard icon right here. Right here. I know it blinked and it turned off the projector there. You press that button. Then if I go to north, I can go paste from clipboard or paste align to current view. Oh yeah, no, you don't want to do paste align to current view because it'll put it on the opposite side. But if you go paste from clipboard, I usually paste it away from my building and then I do a move. That way I can control and say this corner right here should line up with that right there. And there you go. So I finished the second one. Pretty easy, right? Now the problem is here. If I go to east and I paste it, the problem may be here. I don't know. Oh, it did it correctly here. In my commercial class, it shrunk the hatch pattern, the earth hatch pattern, like tiny. So look, move. So now I did east. I'm gonna move it, place it. Now it may be narrower or wider. In this case, it's too short. Look, all you do is grab the hatch pattern, edit, click the line, and I'm gonna move the line to its new location. Check mark, and there you go. I'm done with this one. Okay, yeah, kind of like a stretch. And then go to west, and then do paste. I paste it away from the building. Remember, move in from this corner to this corner over here. Oh, SE. There you go. Snap endpoint. You just put SE on your keyboard, but don't hit enter. Just SE, and then there you go. There, I'm done with all 4 elevations, guys. How long did that take? I mean, it took long to explain to you what to do, but once I was done with one, how long did it take me for the other 3? Minutes. Whole lot less than in AutoCAD. You are correct, sir. Okay, so pull these out, just kind of make it look a little nicer, right? Some of these stuff I may have to fix. They're not exactly where they're supposed to be, but now it's just a matter of fixing it. Whatever I asked for, I don't remember. Yes. Yes, 2 sheets. Huh? No, this is the new one. But we can put them on the sheets already. South, north, and then we should have a second one that says, oh, I didn't do a second sheet? I thought I was going to fit all 4 in one sheet or what? Oh my goodness, wow, I dropped the ball. We'll just make a new sheet right now. But anyways, we can put them on the sheets. Now, I'm going to make a second sheet and, wrong button. Just click on where it says sheets, right click, new sheet, using my title block or yours in your case. And see, it's down here, but we're going to rename it. And this will be A hyphen 2.0. 2.05. We'll do 2.05. Exterior elevations. Elevations, exterior elevations. And on 2.05, we're going to have left and right. So I think it's west. West is the left side of the house, and east is the right side of the house. There we go. Okay. Now, just like I showed you on the roof plan, the title on the drawing title, you can change it by selecting the viewport, properties all the way to the bottom, title on sheet, and then you just type it here, front elevation. Okay. And then the same thing for the bottom one. Instead of north, we're probably going to want it to read rear elevation. So you change the title on the sheet, rear elevation. Okay. And I tend to have these on the, I like them on the right side of the house, not on the left. And then we'll do this guy. Line it up. Shrink the line. There you go. And then the second one is going to be same thing, rename the title on the sheet, left elevation. And this one, this will be right, R-I-G-H-T, elevation. Move it to the right, shrink it. Move it to the right, and oops, it moved on me. I don't think it's lined up, sorry. Yeah, it moved there. Shrink the line. There you go. So that's my exterior elevations, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I already put them on my sheet as well. So I'm ready to print.